Is activated charcoal, bentonite clay, and some peppermint essential oil, which you want to get pure essential oil, and preferably food grade. A little container, a spoon, and some measuring utensils. Okay. So this is really simple. We're going to open up our container. Hopefully you can see that nicely. We're going to add half a teaspoon. So that is 2.5 ml of activated charcoal. Try not to spill it because it does stain. Okay. And this stuff is very versatile, so you can use it for face masks, for I don't know, other stuff. Can't think right now. So this is a tablespoon of bentonite clay. Okay, just pop that in there. Okay, and then we're going to add a couple drops of the peppermint essential oil, which is just really for some freshening of your breath. Okay, and this is more of a dry toothpaste powder, tooth powder, than a wet one. You don't use a metal spoon because metal will soak up the activated charcoal, and bentonite clay will stain the metal.